Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to capitalize in Excel. So let's go to an Excel sheet. Let's write something. Write something. Okay, let's say we want to capitalize them. So what we'll do is just give formula which is equals to upper open parenthesis, select the cell, close parenthesis, and click on enter. If you double click here, sorry, click on enter, and here you can see it's just adjusted with the second option too. So let's say you want to capitalize each word of your text. What you will do? What you will do is just click on the, you have to just write equals to proper open parenthesis and close parenthesis, click on enter. Here you can see um, every first alphabet is got bigger. Every you know, in the case, this is how you can have every single alphabet, front alphabet in the uppercase. So hope that video helped you guys. If it did, then please like, comment, and share this video. Subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get more useful videos like this. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye bye.